going on YouTube? It's Jacob with Total Barber here, and we are sitting in line to get into Orlando Premiere. Now, if you don't know what that is, it is one of the biggest barber, beauty, kind of anything related to the hair industry convention show. So I'm really excited about it. It's my first time, and I'm really hoping I can bring you guys with me. I was reading a little bit last night, and the rules say no photos or videotaping of the booths and things like that without the consent of this show. So I'm just really hoping they let me bring my camera in, and I'll be able to take you guys for a little tour just so you can see what it's like. And for you newer barbers, you know, just to be excited for the things to come for you. These things are really fun. I've gone to another show in Tampa, which was not as big as this one. This one's way bigger, but it was still a blast. So I'm really hoping that I could bring you guys in, and this is like a 15-minute wait, it says on my GPS, so it'll be a while. So I will hopefully see you guys when I get in there. And if you're new to my channel, so basically I'm Total Barber. I just enjoy anything that has to do with barbering. I do some haircut tutorials, teach you some of the things that I learned going through school, and also from other YouTube barbers, as well as reviews and shows like this. So if you are interested in anything like that, go ahead and subscribe and like the video, and you know, I hope you guys enjoy this. So I'll see you guys inside, hopefully. We have made it in. I'm glad I got to bring you guys here. I don't know how the volume is, but it's pretty loud in here, so I'm gonna do my best to show you guys around. And there is so much going on right now. It is crazy. So stay tuned, guys. My name's Ian, and I'm here with Victory Barber and Brand. I run some of the videos and that side of media end of things, and it's really great to be here at Premiere Orlando. It's awesome, really good to meet Jacob and the crew, Total Barber. So go check out Victory Barbers on YouTube, and definitely subscribe to Total Barber. Let's get this going. Alright, this is crazy, man. So much to look at, you know, and the owner of Locals Barbershop suggested that they have an app. It's called Orlando Premier app, and it shows you all the exhibits, everything that's going on, and he suggested that night to go. He suggested to write down everything you want to see and make a map because it's so much. And man, I did not heed that direction, and it is crazy. I don't even know where to go, man. So, but we'll keep on bringing you around and see what you guys think.
YouTube, we here with my man, Total Barber. It's going down. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, all right? Maybe the link will be right here, okay? Or somewhere in the description area. All right, it's your boy 360 Jeezy. I'm here with my man, and we out.
Hit him with song. Hit him with song real quick.
360 Jeezy.
Yeah.
I almost cracked a little bit, all right? So excuse that. My voice is kind of out of place right now.
All right, so I'm here with Zach, and I just want to give him a shout out. This is a good friend of mine. He is actually a barber student about to take his test. And that's a big, big accomplishment. So I just want to give him a shout out, and you know, I want him to tell you guys a little bit about himself and his Instagram.
Hey guys, what's up? I'm Kaz, the barber stylist. Just about to take that test. Like Yak said, I'm going to be in the shop in the next 2 or 3 weeks here. I'll be at the men's room, Sarasota, Florida. I'm looking forward to that. I'm really excited. They got a lot going on down there right now. New logo, new products, new barbers, 2 of us. So you got to get in there. You got to come down and see us, check us out, and give me a follow at Kaz, the barber stylist.
Yeah, and I'll also put a little something right here with his Instagram. So, all right, guys. All right, well, that is Premiere. I am glad I was able to bring you guys on this journey. I'm pretty tired, exhausted, walking around, but you know, I met a lot of awesome people. A lot of people that I have looked up to while I was in school, and a lot of people that have blessed me in my learning. And you know, and that's one of the biggest things that these shows are, is for you to market to other barbers, for you to find people that you can connect with and learn from. And you know, as you can see in these videos, or in this video, that, you know, there's so many people, and all these barbers you see, man, they are down to earth, cool people. So it's just been a really, really cool experience. Alright, so I am on my way home and just wanted to give you guys some of my final thoughts and just basically everything I expected. It blew me out the water. It was an awesome time, fun, great marketing, and just awesome meeting people and having fun. I suggest to anybody who has the opportunity to go to any show, go. You know, get outside your comfort zone, talk to people and market and, you know, make friends and mentors and learn from people and just all of the things that as barbers and in this industry we can do. It's a blessing to be able to do those kind of things and you know, and our industry allows us to do that. So, you know, hope you guys enjoyed the clip, and it was a lot of fun to film it and bring you guys along with me. And like I said in the beginning of the video, if you're new to this channel, this is what we do. It's total barber. It's everything barbering.
There's a 5-minute slowdown in 4 miles.
Sorry, my phone's talking to me.
Fastest route.
And while I was at the show, I got some pretty cool new toys that I want to open and show you guys, and just give you guys my opinion on those things. So stay tuned for that. You know, again, subscribe and like the video, and I appreciate all of you guys. And you know, when you subscribe, there's this little tiny bell next to the subscription. Hit that bell, and if, you know, and it just gives you alerts when I upload a video. So, alright, y'all, stay tuned for the next video.